Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford Bronco Black Diamond. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.6 liter engine and has four-wheel drive capabilities. Taking a look at the back here, we do have that nice Bronco logo right there, your rear view camera, a full-size spare tire. We do have rear park sensing, a nice little tow hook here, plus a nice little license plate bracket. We do have nice black fenders for the wheels, blind spot detection. This vehicle also comes with a nice hardtop, which is pretty cool. And moving to the front, we do have two tow hooks for your towing necessities, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle also comes with a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. Taking a look in the back here, we can see we do have plenty of cargo space, and of course if you need more you can always fold down that row. We do have hooks all around the back, and a 12-volt outlet right there. And lifting up this floor mat, we do have hooks there and there, as well as storage with the jack as well. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle comfortably seats up to 4 pretty nicely. We do have this nice gray and black vinyl. We do have cup holders, of course, on each side. And on each side we do have a drain plug for those muddy adventures. And of course we do get 2 USBs and a 120-volt outlet right there. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see the seats are manual with the same gray black vinyl with the light blue stitching, but this time we get the nice Bronco logo on each side. We do have a nice little cargo net, gray accents of course. You do have your lights there, parking brake, hood opener, and you do have a nice grab handle right there with the Bronco logo. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 13,789 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel with our phone, voice, media, and our toggle for our main screen there. And we do have our cruise controls right there. Now looking at our main screen here, we do have our menu where we can go from My View, which has tire pressure. You can configure it to what you want, comm screen, fuel economy, trip 1, so on and so forth. We have trip and fuel, off-road status, such as turbo boost, oil temp, battery voltage, phone, audio, and other settings. And continue our look here, we do have our nice leather-wrapped gear shift with the nice Bronco logo right there. You can change your speeds there. We have our GOAT modes, 4-wheel drive capabilities, your traction control right there of course. We have our 2 window openers there and mirror adjusters right there. For our GOAT modes, we do get normal, eco, sport, slippery, mud and ruts, sand, and rock crawl. And continue our look here, we do have the nice Bronco logo here, another grab handle, USB and USB-C. We do have a fair bit of storage in the center console there, with this being able to move out of course, providing you with another 12-volt outlet down there. We do have dual climate of course, and heated front seats. Your media controls are there, auto stop, auto start, engine stop and start of course, rear axle lock, trailer turn of course, traction control, and your hazards right there. Now looking at our main screen here, you do have home, which you can set up however you like, but we do have audio, compass, and what phone's connected. Nice. We do have our audio, which looks like this, and we do have Sirius XM capabilities, phone, any apps that you've downloaded, such as Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, settings such as your Wi-Fi, vehicle, and so on and so forth, and features such as driving assist, zone lighting, towing, owner's manual, and of course you do get storage in the glove box, and we do have another grab handle right there. And looking above me, we do have 6 upfitter switches, which we can set up however you like, which is pretty handy. The stock number for this vehicle is B7599, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.